Alright, so the cheap umbrella that I ordered on Amazon came in today. Let's take a look at it and see how cheap it actually is. Alright, so this is the lower base section that mounts to the ground. Alright, yeah, it's pretty flimsy, but I have a feeling this is why a lot of them are getting bad reviews. This lower section here bends, and the base really isn't strong enough to support the weight, so they do make like a weighted platform that this sits on top, but yeah, it kind of looks pretty tacky. So what we're going to do is fix this in a way that mounts into the ground and that's removable. So let's go dig some holes. So this is the bottom tube, and we need to sleeve the other tube into here. So either you could just cut off the top and open up the bottom. You're going to lose 2 inches or so. But I prefer drilling out the bottom plate and leaving a small ring in hopes that that'll keep the bottom tube from opening up, causing more slop. So to do that, we're just using a hole saw. tape to take up some of the play in the tubes here. And this would probably work, but I want it to be a little bit better. We did have to change the location because over here where we initially put it, the sun wasn't blocking the chair area, so moved it with the base just spinning like that. It'll keep that top piece from bending. But so far for $80, it's doing what $80 will do.